Happy August, superstars. It's Magi Helena. Here's the astrological forecast for August 2019 in all 6 astrology dimensions. I'm the only woman and one of only 2 certified level 4 Magi astrologers, the highest level, and I've helped thousands of people across the US and in 40 countries around the world to understand how to use star timing to help them achieve love and success. Please subscribe right here on YouTube and then click that bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos drop. August 2019 is another pretty good month. Want to make it your best ever? Write Best August in the comments below. August's best days and worst days include several runs of each kind of day and several singletons throughout the month. In the first run of best days, Sun is conjunct Venus and trine Jupiter in Geo 12 and is parallel Pallas in the Geocentric Declinations. In Helio 12, Earth is conjunct and of course opposite the Jupiter-Chiron Cinderella midpoint. In Helio Zodiac7, Earth is in a Cinderella Fortress with Ceres, Jupiter, Sedna and Chiron. In the second run of best days in August in Geo 12, Sun is still conjunct Venus, and now the pair of them sit at the apex of a romantic and financial yod with Pluto and Neptune. In Geo 7, Sun is in a fortress with Venus, Uranus, Neptune, and Ceres, and is in a second synced fortress with Pluto, Uranus, and Ceres. These are great days for love and money. In the third run of best days, Sun is still conjunct Venus and now Juno as well. And the 3 are all in a mystical triangle with Sedna and Chiron and synced with Pallas. In Helio 12, Earth is at the apex of a longbow with Vesta and Ixion, and in a mystical triangle with Odin and Midas. In the first run of worst days in August, Sun is conjunct Sappho and conjunct and opposite the Saturn-Chiron heartbreak midpoint, and they are tightly bidirectionally applying in Geo 12. In Zodiac 7 Geo, Sun is in a bidirectional applying clash with the Saturn-Sedna midpoint, and Sun is contraparallel and mutually applying with Lilith. Earth is also conjunct and opposite the Saturn-Chiron midpoint and in a T-square with Sedna and Sappho in Helio 12. In Helio 7, Earth is at the apex of a symmetrical triangle with Mercury and Lilith. These are really crummy days. Please don't meet anyone new or start anything new that's important on these days. In the second run of worst days, Sun is contraparallel and mutually applying with the Saturn-Chiron midpoint in the Geo Declinations, making these heartbreak days too. In Helio 7, Earth is in a wedge with Mercury and Xanthus. Click the link below to see the specific best and worst days for August. I hope this video helps you plan your month ahead. If you liked this video, please click like. I would really appreciate it. If not, click dislike. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe here on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please come visit me on MagiHelena.com for info on your personal best and worst timing, astrology lessons, how to understand your relationships, and a lot more. I hope you have a warm and wonderful August.